Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off reviews on our Facebook page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to select your page, and here you can see a review section, and click on three dots and click on more, and here you can see many sections, but as you can see there is no option you can hide that. So how you can do that, you simply need to click on three dots and click on page and tagging settings, and here you can see allow others to view and leave review on your page. You simply need to turn that off. So now no one will be able to leave review on your Facebook page. So this is the process by which you can turn off reviews on a Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.